Welcome to EEZBOOK, where you're greeted with a seamless experience. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide. If you already have a login ID, simply navigate to the Go to EEZBOOK tab to proceed further. To select Control Panel. To select Setup. To select Module-wise Setup. To select Financial. Go to Currency Setup. Select to GL Currency. The open screen displays a comprehensive list of all currency names that have been previously added. If the user wishes to add a new currency, they should select the option to Add New Currency. Type new currency name. Click to save currency. The newly added currency name will be displayed. If the user wishes to change the currency name, they should click on the pen icon. Type new name or edit currency name, then select to update.